Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Soul of Study. And today I'm gonna here with the basic vocabularies, and I will gonna cover 30 vocabularies within the 3 minutes. So let's start. And this video is third video of basic vocabularies. First one is scholar. Scholar means vidwan. Festival. Festival means tewar. Occasion. Occasion means अवसर. Evil means बुराई. Worship means पूजा करना. Adore means पूजा करना. Statue means मूर्ति. Pomp and show means धूमधाम. Religious means धार्मिक. Celebrate means मनाना. Fuel means जलावन. Fertilizer means खाद. Horn means sing. Dung means gobar. Domestic means पालतू. Exciting means उत्तेजक. Sufficient means काफ़ी. Secular means धर्मनिरपेक्ष. Tackle means संभालना. Industry means उद्योग. Justice means न्याय. Dream means सपना. Growth means वृद्धि. Compulsory means अनिवार्य. Terror means आतंक. Rival means प्रतिद्वंदी. Orchard means बगीचा. Delicious means स्वादिष्ट. Historical means ऐतिहासिक. Separate means अलग. So these were basic vocabularies, and you can use these words in your speaking, and you can enhance your fluency with the help of these vocabularies. Very thank you.